Hello everyone, Astro Homestead Chokobilag. Welcome to yet another wonderful video on TBC. Today I just want to give an update on what's really happening right now concerning our wallet. Okay, most of you have opened your wallet and you experienced your wallet looking like this. Okay, meaning you don't have any balance and your latest transaction is not showing. Okay, some of you have panicked, some of you have contacted me, and I'm doing this video to give you guys the assurance that this is just a maintenance that's going on with the wallet. And also, the TBC admin has gone ahead to give an update on the blog about this. So I'm just going to show you guys the blog post, but I know most of you guys don't read the blog. So um, I just pray that you guys will get up and start, reading the blog. Encourage yourself to keep reading the blog, always sticking on the blog. And if you have the Billion Coin app, anytime you get a notification of a blog post, you go and check it out. Okay. So this article is titled "Stand by while we resync the TBC blockchain." So the TBC admin is trying to resync the TBC blockchain with our wallet. Okay. So obviously, TBC has developed a fairly large blockchain already, and our recent maintenance required a full resync to be done. Once it is completely synced, you should see full balances return. It is best to wait until sync has completed before doing another transaction. So if you see a past balance that is not up to date with what you remember it to be the last time you logged in, don't do another transaction. Better yet, just stay out of the wallet until I blog that it is ready for the whole community to use again. I'm sorry for any inconvenience this may have caused for any of you. So the TBC admin just to let you guys know that a maintenance was done and it required a full resync to be done. Now we have about 3 point something million members, so that should be about 3 point something million wallets. So a resync means that it's going to take time for you to start seeing your balance again. Now in a situation whereby you log in after the racing or during the racing, and you find out that your previous balance when you last logged in is not the same with the balance you're seeing right now or you're seeing. Okay, then the TBC admin is advising you to just stay away from the wallet, okay, till he does a blog post that advises us to now log in and check our wallet, okay, and he regrets any inconvenience that this may have caused. Okay, so guys, let this not affect your belief in TBC. Just understand that this is just one of those things that normally happens when you're trying to do a maintenance update. Okay, and whatever maintenance update that the TBC admin is doing is for our own benefit so that we'll be able to tap into the full potential of TBC. Because whether you like it or not, TBC is going places, and we have merchants on ground that are willing to accept TBC, whether it's 100%, 50%, 70%, whatever percentage it is. There are people out there, merchants out there, who are willing to do business. Okay, and I'm going to do a video that's going to show you guys how to utilize or capitalize on this opportunity to make some money for yourself. All right. So there's nothing to panic. Okay. Don't be scared. Make sure you have the Billion Coin app if you don't have it. Okay. So that you to avoid them say who say, all right, or avoid falling to going to Google and finding out information about what's happening with the wallet. All the information is on the blog. And if you have the Billion Coin app, you will always get information each time it is released. So till I see you guys next time, so take care and bye for now.